Access a world of trading possibilities with Mugan Markets. Trade over 200 plus Forex pairs, including majors, minors, and exotics, and explore the exciting realm of crypto and spot metals, all with spreads as low as 0.1 pips. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Mugan Markets has the tools and features to enhance your trading experience. Why is Mugan Markets the best choice for traders? We provide an enhanced trading experience with transparency and superior service. Our MT4 platform offers easy and seamless trading, allowing you to execute trades with ease. Explore our PMM marketplace and choose from a diverse selection of pro traders, diversify your portfolio, and discover various expert advisors to enhance your trading strategies. Experience the power of ECN execution at Mugan Markets. Our pure order matching execution system eliminates middlemen, ensuring faster and more efficient trade executions. With our seamless crypto deposits and withdrawals, you can enjoy instant transactions while maintaining the highest level of security. Your safety is our top priority. We provide a secure trading environment that keeps your identity protected and ensures a seamless trading experience. Say goodbye to delays and enjoy uninterrupted trading with Mugan Markets. Getting started with Forex trading is as simple as only 4 steps. Sign up, deposit funds, download our user-friendly trading platform, and start trading. Open a live account to dive into the real market or practice your skills with a demo account to gain confidence before making real trades. Join Mugan Markets, the people's FX broker, and unlock your trading potential. With a transparent and superior trading experience, a wide range of account types, and advanced trading platforms, we are here to support you every step of the way. Join now, joining link given in the description, to open your live or demo account and take your trading to new heights. Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. In today's video, we will be exploring an automated price action EA. This EA is specifically designed to trade using the price action strategy, which involves analyzing the price movements of a particular asset to identify patterns and trends for trading decisions. It's a popular strategy among traders as it relies on the market itself rather than lagging indicators or technical tools. The EA utilizes a neuronet, which is an artificial neural network inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. This neuronet is trained to recognize patterns and make predictions based on extensive data, making it an ideal tool for analyzing market price movements. Although the term neuronet may be a marketing concept, it doesn't diminish the EA's effectiveness. To power the neuronet, the EA incorporates an indicator that combines moving averages, Bollinger Bands, Relative Strength Index, RSI, and MACD to generate accurate buy-sell signals. These signals are then utilized by the neuronet to make trading decisions. Importantly, this EA avoids risky trading methods like martingale and grid strategies. It aims to deliver low and safe drawdowns, achieving profits between 95% and 99% on each order. This is accomplished through a carefully calibrated risk management system that takes into account factors such as account size, trading volume, and market conditions. Additionally, the EA allows traders to adjust their lot size and risk to increase monthly profits. It incorporates a scaling system that evaluates previous trade performance and adjusts lot sizes accordingly. This way, traders can seize market opportunities without risking more than they can afford to lose. When selecting a broker, it's crucial to choose a reputable one to safeguard your funds. Trading with a trusted broker, such as Mugan Markets, ensures fair and reliable services. Always remember that your money is at risk when dealing with an untrustworthy broker. Free download this EA, link given in the video description. Recapping the essential points. The EA works best on any candle timeframe. It can be used with any currency pair. It's recommended to test the EA in a demo account for at least a week and fully understand its workings before using it in a real account. Remember, there is no guaranteed formula for success in trading. Stay resilient during losses and remain humble when winning trades. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Happy trading, and until next time.